This short video will show you how to do a visual search in Destiny. If you need help getting to Destiny, please watch the video entitled Access Destiny. If you need help logging into Destiny, please watch the video titled Log In to Destiny. This particular video is for students in kindergarten, first grade, and second grade. If you are in third, fourth, fifth, or sixth grade, please watch the video called Destiny Basic Search. So now let's learn how to do a visual search in Destiny. After you access and log into your school's online catalog, it is by default ready for a basic search. But we want to do a visual search. So over on the right-hand side, click the tab for visual search. And now, instead of a text box, you see a set of buttons that are related to larger groups of interest. We have famous people, folk and fairy tales, geography, and lots more. Clicking on one of these group buttons will give me a new set of buttons that break that larger group into categories. Clicking on folk and fairy tales gives me dragons, nursery rhymes, and tall tales. From here, if I click on one of these subgroup buttons, let's say dragons, I get a whole list of books in my library that are related to dragons. As I scroll through the list, if I see one that catches my eye, I can click on that title and I can learn more about the book. You can see a picture, you can see a brief description, and other important information about the book. To go back to the whole list, I can just click the back button on my browser. At a glance, I can see each book has a reading level and an interest level. So you should be looking for books that are related to your reading level and your interest level. Over on the right-hand side, in green, it will tell me if the book is currently in the library. And just to the left of that, it shows me the call number, which helps me locate the book on the shelves in my library. If a book is checked out, you will see instead of the word in, it will say out and it will be in the color red, but you can place that book on hold. You can learn more about how to do that in the video called Place Books on Hold. So you can see that there is a whole list, and if you go back, I can go back to library search and I'm still on visual. And if I were to do the same thing over again, let's click on sports this time. Now I have 4 different subgroup buttons. If I want to look for soccer, I can click on soccer and I see a very similar list to the ones like dragons, but now it's about soccer. And I see the same types of information. And that is how you can do a visual search for books in your school library. Once you find a book you'd like to read, find the video to learn how to place a book on hold at your school library. If you would like to search for ebooks, watch the video about finding ebooks in Sora. Any other questions can be directed to your friendly school librarian.